A preliminary investigation of the July 18 WazirX cryptocurrency exchange hack did not find any evidence that WazirX signers' machines were compromised, according to a July 25th report from the exchange's team. The post suggested that a breach in the system of multi-party computation wallet provider Liminal may have been the cause of the $235 million exploit. Liminal previously released a report suggesting that compromised WazirX machines were the cause of the exploit. According to WazirX, despite searching for evidence that their own devices were compromised, the team's investigators have been unable to find any evidence that WazirX signers' machines were compromised. Instead, they found that the attack involved the flow of transactions through liminal infrastructure, as evidenced by the use of 3 WazirX signatures and 1 liminal signature. The liminal MPC wallet was supposed to prevent any withdrawals from being sent to non-whitelisted addresses, but it failed to do so, WazirX claimed. The municipal pension plan of Jersey City, New Jersey will soon invest in Bitcoin via exchange-traded funds, according to a Thursday social media post from Mayor Stephen Fulop. While it's not likely to be a gigantic sum, the decision is another symbolic win for cryptocurrency on the road towards wider adoption. The move follows a Wisconsin pension making a similar decision earlier this year. Fulop, a Democrat, has thrown his hat into the ring for New Jersey's 2025 gubernatorial election. Incumbent Governor Phil Murphy, also a Democrat, has already served 2 terms and is ineligible for re-election. Fulop added that the city's pension fund, the Employees Retirement System of Jersey City, is currently in the process of updating paperwork with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission to allocate a percentage of the fund to Bitcoin ETFs. According to Fulop's tweet, the investment is expected to be completed by end of the summer. Donors to Donald Trump's campaign to be re-elected as United States President have contributed roughly $3 million in cryptocurrency since the candidate announced he would accept digital assets. According to a Federal Election Commission filing for the second quarter of 2024, the Trump 47 committee received millions in crypto donations from roughly 20 individuals starting in May. The most significant contributions to the Trump campaign in Q2 2024 came from Gemini co-founders Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, who pledged a combined $2 million in BTC on June 20th. Kraken co-founder Jesse Powell said he would donate $1 million in Ether on June 28th. FEC filings show Powell contributed more than $844,000, while the Trump campaign was obligated to partially refund the Winklevoss BTC donation. Guidelines impose a maximum of $844,600 per individual. Hollywood video game performers, including voice actors and motion capture artists, are set to go on a strike at the end of this week on July 26, citing concerns over AI protections and abuse in the gaming industry. The Screen Actors Guild, American Federation of Television and Radio Artists, and the Interactive Media Agreement SAG-AFTRA confirmed the strike would take effect on July 26, citing more than 18-month-long failed negotiation attempt with a group representing several video game publishers. Those firms include Activision Productions, Disney Character Voices, Formosa Interactive, Electronic Arts Productions, and Insomniac Games. The labor union wants these firms looking to employ SAG-AFTRA's actors and artists to sign several contracts that offer critical AI protection for its members. A spokesperson representing the video game company says that they are disappointed with the decision, claiming they have already found common ground with the video game producers on 24th of its 25 proposals, including wage increases and additional safety provisions. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day. UAE-based Cypher Capital has invested $15 million in ZAP, a power token distribution protocol built on the Ethereum Layer 2 network Blast. The investment aims to advance the vision of democratizing access to early-stage investments and creating a fairer crypto space where participants can engage on a level playing field. ZAP features a questing and airdrop protocol and no-code token launcher and curated launches via ZAP land. The token launchpad and no-code token offer users access to venture-backed projects, giving them more options to fully utilize their on-chain activity. Roma, a company focused on bridging the gap between fiat and digital assets, has obtained an operational virtual asset service provider license from Dubai's Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority. The license will allow Roma to offer regulated broker-dealer services in virtual assets, serving customers with digital asset on-ramp, off-ramp, brokerage and OTC services. Roma, founded by Amit Jain, a former managing director at Sequoia Capital, secured a $22 million seed funding round in 2022, led by Sequoia Capital India and several global company CEOs as angel investors. Roma is set to launch support for AED local rails on ramps and off-ramps and support customers in the region. Vara has already licensed more than 20 WASP operations from Dubai since commenced operations. The Central Bank of UAE and the Central Bank of Seychelles have signed 2 memorandums of understanding to enhance the use of local currencies in settling cross-border financial and commercial transactions, with the aim of extending this to central bank digital currencies. The first MOU aims to establish a framework to promote the use of local currencies in settling bilateral commercial transactions, developing the exchange market, and facilitating bilateral trade and direct investment. The second MOU consolidates cooperation and mutual benefit from the services of instant payment platforms, electronic switches, and messaging systems by directly linking them in accordance with regulatory requirements in the 2 countries. Otherwise, a Cardano ecosystem accelerator and venture capital fund has invested in Nakta, South Arabia's blockchain infrastructure builder and NFT management solution. This investment aligns with Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 to foster a digital economy and an innovation-driven future. In March 2024, Adawar signed an MOU with Saudi-based ASFA Ventures to drive Web3 innovation in the KSA and beyond. ASFA Ventures is a venture capital builder that focuses on technology ventures, Web3 technologies, and has already invested in Saudi projects such as Akar Token and Tokena. Adaverse has funded over 40+ startups across Africa, Asia, and beyond. Raipur, the capital city of Chhattisgarh, India, has begun transferring its real estate records to the blockchain using AirChains, a company that creates blockchain-based privacy models using zero-knowledge, fully homographic encryption. The Raipur Municipal Corporation, responsible for issuing over 8,000 building permits, work orders, and colony development permissions annually, has partnered with AirChains to develop a solution for addressing issues like forgery of documents. The corporation is exploring digital documentation for birth, death, and marriage certificates, which are essential services produced by urban bodies. AirChain CEO Ankur Rakhi Sinha stated that this marks the first use case of ZK FHE in India. The Raipur Municipal Corporation has completed around 100,000 certificates on ZK, and once the chain is live, it will bring the current data. The TON core team, in collaboration with non-custodial wallet TONkeeper, has launched the W5 Smart Wallet standard, enabling gasless transactions on the TON blockchain. The W5 Smart Wallet was developed by TONkeeper and approved as a standard by the TON core team. It allows users to make transactions using USDT as payment for transaction fees, while sending USDT and NotCoin as payment for gas fees when sending NotCoin. The W5 Smart Wallet pushes the boundaries of what's possible on TON blockchain, reducing the barriers to getting started on the blockchain. The new standard also enables advanced parallel processing, allowing users to make up to 255 transactions simultaneously, opening up new use cases. That's all this bulletin for now. This is Miyuchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share, and subscribe to 3.TV, and for more information stories, log on to our website www.3wazirx.io or scan the QR code.